back, and we are featuring small businesses today. So we got a box in the mail and we're gonna do an unboxing there. Alright, let's talk about my accessories. We're gonna go with the freaking scrunchies. But anyways, I got 3 of them. I got 3 different kinds, but I actually have 6 scrunchies in total. So first off, I have these yellow ones. Okay. I love it. Oh my goodness, look at this. It got like your little sunflowers on here. Girl, come get it. And then next, we have this pink one, obviously, as I was showing you. I think they got like little pink peonies on them. So floral designs, if you love floral, definitely get these. Next up, we have this white and red one. So pretty, oh my goodness. It's got red, it's got some blue flowers, and it's white, and I just think the colors and the design just look so good. Like, they look so nice. So that's Hummingbird Beauty right there. Scrunchies, you know, get them while you can. They're beautiful, they're gorgeous. Okay, so next up we have this beautiful earring. Here we go. Oh my goodness, look at this, it's so cute. So it's basically a hoop earring, and this is like leather. And Fringe Queen, I think it's Fringe Queen. Fringe Queen is actually based in Canada, because I went ahead and asked my mom where she got these. I'll go ahead and link it down in the description where to get the scrunchies, where to get the earrings, if you do want one. So I've been away from home, but I came back and surprisingly there was this box here. Obviously this is from Nizhoni Diosa Spirit. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Oh my god, I still don't know how to pronounce it. You like my fit? It's cute, right? I've worn it before. Oh my god. This is a big ass candle of the Tranquility Crystal Candle. You're joking. I love it. Okay. And then let's see, next we have the Balance and Harmony. Okay, I'm just gonna take them out and then I'll show them to you guys. How about that? It's a big candle, the Tranquility. Oh my gosh, this is my favorite. Guys, I swear, get yourself a Tranquility Crystal Candle. This, if you love that tree scent, you need this. Alright, so this is the Balance and Harmony Crystal Candle. Oh my god, my freaking bun's like falling apart right now. Why? But look at this. This is so cute. It's like a really light purple with blue and some green candles. I mean, green crystals. Smells like a clean house. I love that. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna go fix that bun because like I look like a freaking crazy. This is the Rose and Clear Quartz Crystal Candle. That's so pretty. You know what? I think I'll flip the camera around and I'll give you guys a better look. But like, this is what it looks like. And then next up we have the Abundance Crystal Candle. I read about this. I think this has cedar in it. I think. Let's see. You unscrew this one. Ooh. I was right. Oh my god. I really love that tree Christmassy scent. That's what it smells like. Cedar tree, Christmas, heaven. Is that Eternal? Eternal Sunshine Crystal Candle. Let's see what this looks like. Legit, I was thinking about getting this. Oh my gosh, it looks so cute. I like this. I don't no, what is this? Oh my gosh, this is really interesting. I love this. This is the Tranquility Crystal Candle, as we know. That's a giant piece of white howlite. So pretty, so gorgeous. Balance and harmony crystal candle. So cute. I'm really wondering what's in here. I haven't read the cards yet. So that's what we have. Oh, and this is the rose cord. So cute. So little. This one's a cedar. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Details. Can we? Amazing. This is a work of art. Look at that. So pretty. Oh, it just looks so good. A rose in a candle. To die for. So good. Tranquility, I love you. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hoped you enjoyed that, and hopefully you found some crystals that you guys could get. I really love them. I would definitely recommend buying her candles. Okay, I'm gonna go now. Peace out, bye. Wait. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.